Hello guys. So, right now I am lashing out for fucking real. Sorry, mahina lang yung boses natin dahil may natutugtog na and I don't wanna disturb them. Pero, gusto ko lang labas ng emotion. It's been going on months na. Months na problema ko na ito. I just really hate people na hindi alam yung sense. I know, they know it. Alam naman nila yung sense of urgency pero kapag hindi talaga yung ginagawa yung dapat na ginagawa nila. I have my groupmates for capstone. It's a final project for every IT student sa third year and fourth year. So I'm currently third year. So gumagawa kami ng capstone 1 namin. We have a lot of problems going on in this project. From stakeholder itself to to my members and in this project also. So basically, kwento ko lang naman is about mga sa mga teammates ko. I am the leader of this project. So, ako mismo yung sa likod. Ako yung mag-leader. I mean, I asked them and they also agreed na ako na lang din naman. So, I think that, but right now, it's a mess. I don't want this title anymore. I don't want this. I never want this. Kasi gusto ko lang naman, nakita ko kasi sa kanila. Before pa, parang hindi nila, hindi sila nila-approach ng tao. I mean, I'm a good member, though my friends know that. I've been a member for a lot of instances. Sa lahat ng mga projects. Nung high school ako, madalas din naman ako leader. Pero, I could say hindi naman talaga ako, magaling na mag-leader. Pero magaling ako mag-member. I mean, ginagawa ko lahat ng ipapagawa mo sa akin on time. So, I am expecting you to be a good leader either. So, yun nga. Hindi ba leader ako? So, nag-a-assign ako ng mga gagawin nila para sa project namin. Then, I am giving them a lot of time to do that fucking shit part. And then, aabutin ng linggo. Alam mo yung deadline na? Kunwari, deadline na ito next Monday. Kailan ko pa sa kanila sinabi? 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago ko pa sinabi sa kanila. Or 3 weeks ago. Sinabi ko na, gawin nyo na use case. Gosh, the reason. I fucking hate the reason. Wala daw. Wala daw laptop or busy. I am busy too. At kung wala man akong laptop, pupunta ako sa bayan. Kahit wala akong pera, pupunta ako sa bayan. Para lang, gawin yung nakagagawa sa akin. And I wish, yung kagrupo ko meron nun. Isip nila, sinabi ko naman na ganito gawin mo. Total, hindi yung may pinsan mo yung laptop. Punta ka sa bayan. Total, malapit lang naman kayo sa bayan. Pwede mong lakarin. Kasi, malapit lang talaga sila sa bayan. Hindi ka mag-computer shop ka doon. For sure, meron. Hindi mawawalan yun. I know there is. Kung sasabihin sa akin, wala ka sa bayan na yun. That's impossible. At kung wala talaga, gumawa ka ng paraan. It's your responsibility to find a solution on that problem. Hindi pwede i-adjust natin yung oras at aabutin tayo ng deadline dito, okay? Oh my God. I am always questioning, Lord. Bakit ba? Sila pa yung naging grupo ko. And I've been understanding it a lot of times. Maybe this is the way para turuan niya ako naman rin paano mag-handle ng group, paano maging masabaan yung pasensya ko. ka na maging understanding. I mean, I am understanding. Mahaba yung pasensya ko. Yung limit na lang, okay? And everybody has that. And it's frustrating me a lot of time. A lot of times. Yeah, a lot of times. It's frustrating me to the core. I want to confront them, but at the same time, I don't want to because I know once that I start talking this and that matter to them, I know, even though unintentional, I'm gonna hurt them by words. And ayoko naman magproblema kasi nagkaproblema na talaga kami dito sa group nito. Nag-disband na, tapos pinabalik lang kami kasi hindi pwedeng 5 group for ang 5 majority ng group sa section namin is 5 member. So, pinagbalik kami. Edi, who am I to reason that? I don't wanna burden myself too, pero kasi, how? For some fucking reason, how is this happening to me? How is this happening to me? You know what? Iniisip ko lang, sabi nga, pag nahihirapan ka, nasa tamang way ka. So, siguro part 2 ng plan ni Jesus na ganito talaga. May isip ko, maraming mas nahihirapan sa akin. Mas maraming nasa masamang sitwasyon. Siguro ano lang to, parang average pa lang. Pero kasi I don't wanna invalidate my feelings naman din. Na, bakit? They should do better far from this mess. Okay? Pwede lang. Kaya nilang i-push yung sarili nila. Ayaw lang nilang gawin. And I really hate that. Hindi valid yung reason na sasabihin mong busy or nagpupuntahan, wala ka resources. Kasi student tayo eh. Hindi tayo sa project na to and responsibility natin yun. Ako, kahit pagod ako, kahit nagugutom ako, pupunta ako dito sa lugar na to para sa group project na to. Pupuyat ako para lang gawin. Kaya na to, kasi busy ako maghapon, so gagawin ko siya ng gabi. How could I not? If I can, why they can? I don't understand. I really hate them for this. I don't want to hate person. I don't want to be mad to anybody. But they're pushing me, man. They're pushing my limits. I am praying and praying and I'm praying every single day. My Lord, sorry kung sinigatan niyo po ang kasalanan. Sorry kung ganito ganyan. I am questioning him. Bakit po? Bakit po nandito ako sa group na to? Pinagawaan ko nito. I just want to know the exact reason. Kasi it's annoying and it's frustrating. It's so hard for my God kasi gusto ko nag-graduate and I feel like this is hindrance of my dream. This is fucking hindrance of my dream. 1 year. 1 year. And I'm really gonna cry a lot of times by the end of this semester. I know. Next time ko na lang sa inyo kukwento yung about sa problema yung sa stakeholders sa project. Dapat, days ago pa. Pero kasi busy nga ako. So, hindi ko na nagawa. Yun lang guys. Yung puso this on YouTube. At kung wala naman ako viewer, it's fine. I'm gonna view it myself. Yung nag-video naman ako para makita ko yung sarili ko. Kasi nag-delete ako lagi sa Google, sa storage kasi nga nag-full storage. So, nag-delete ako lagi sa photos ko and hopefully nare-review sana ako. Narinig mo ako, Maria, dahil ikaw rin nag-review nito. So, yeah, so, this is my journey on this annoying Shibal project. Yun lang naman, guys. Masakit pa rin dibdib ko sa sobrang frustration. Basta, maraming error. Ito pala. Meron pala. Kasi diba pinapagawa ko sila. Ini-AI lang nila. I mean, everybody is using AI. Me myself, I'm using AI. The difference is, I am reading it detail by detail. Kung connected ba siya dun sa project namin, kung tama ba yun. Kasi, ang ginagawa nila, ipo-prompt. Diba, isi-search mo sa ChatGPT, tapos ipapagawa mo, kagaya na to sa use case. Ipo-prompt. God, man, it's annoying talaga bakla. It's annoying to bakla. Prompt na lang use case. Mali-mali bakla. I am not supposed to be explaining this then. Kasi, nag-first year, kasi magkakabatch kami. For sure, napag-aralan ko. Yung use case, tinuro yun kung ano yung mga parts nun. Yung pinasa sa akin, mali-mali talaga. Sino gigisahin kapag nag-defense? Pa kami lang din naman. Para may explain na bakit yung itsura ng use case niya. Use case na lang, hindi mo may tama, diagram lang yan. Paano ipo-prompt na lang talaga. Yes. Kapag mali yung use case, mali yung use case story, mali na yung data schema, mali yung entity relationship, mali na lahat. Kasi magkakakonect yun, lahat ng appendix magkakakonect. And it's annoying. Wish me luck. Siguro pag nag-video ako, mag-video ako guys. As long as kaya ko pa. Mag-video ako pag may oras ako. Kasi kukwento ko sa inyo. Parang, this is a diary or a journal. Pero naka-video kasi magulo ako magkwento, diba? Magulo nga, diba? Pag ganyan, nagbabasa na ako, may nagkukwento pa rin ako. So, ganito. So, yun lang. So, basically, this is a journal, pero hindi yan nilitan. Naka-video. Sana nare-review ako. Bye-bye. See you next time.